What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Mike, and we're going to determine why the hell my headlight went out. So let's pop the hood, see if we can diagnose this. So as you see, passenger's working, driver's side is not. Now I tapped on this yesterday and it came on, but I'm unsure if it's a connection or it's just loose. So we're going to try to take this out and see if we can reseat it. So I'm going to take this boot out. It looks like the whole headlight just popped out. Probably isn't good, right? Maybe why it's not working. So there's a boot, but the whole headlight came loose. Maybe that's our problem. Does not look burnt. Maybe it just came out of socket. Alright, so we're gonna try to put this back in. Alright. And there's a pin. There we go. So let's just plug it in and see if we get a connection. Nothing. So it's a bad bulb for sure. So we're gonna have to go purchase one. Alright guys, to do a quick test, I took the light bulb back out. I unplugged the passenger side. You see, let me plug this back in. The light comes on. We're gonna test it. So we're gonna hook this light bulb up. And nothing. So tells me that the bulb is dead for sure. So we will hit up the store, go purchase a new one, and put it in. Alright guys, we rolled up to AutoZone, picked up a new basic Sylvania bulb. Hopefully this will work for us. $13.99. Alright, so we got the new bulb. We're going to take the old one out. I don't know if we can set this here. So there's a pin here. Like a clamp. Take this one out. Open up the package for the new one. Make sure you don't touch it. Put the new one in. snap ring back in. It's in for good. I'm just going to turn the headlights on and test it really quick. Headlights on. Make some connection. And we're turned on. Perfect. Take our boot. Get this on here. Push the boot back on. Plug in the headlight. Snap in tight. Back in business.